Hi, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about Mazda's two newest members of the family. That's going to be the CX-90 and the CX-70. What's nice about these two vehicles are that A, they are the largest SUVs that Mazda sells. They are, as you can see in size, a really nice big SUV. Differences between these two, first and foremost, are going to be seating capacity. The CX-90 is a third row passenger seat, where the CX-70 is a 5-passenger seat SUV with a lot more storage capacity in the back. The CX-90 has Mazda Skyactiv technology. You will get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the safety features. CX-70, very similar, still Skyactiv technology with all the safety features. A big difference though is the navigation that comes with the CX-70, where CX-90 and every other Mazda we have, the navigation is in a little chip that we put inside the vehicle, and that brings up the navigation. With the CX-70, the navigation's actually in the cloud, which is nice. So no matter where you go, you have an updated navigation system ready to go. Another difference with the CX-70 and CX-90 is the appearance of the vehicle. If you come around to this side over here, I just want to kind of show you something here. The CX-70 has been made to look a little bit more bold. They come right here on the side here and just look. As you can see, it comes straight across right here, where the CX-90 has more of this S-curve inside of here. The CX-90 has a little bit more elegance to it, where the CX-70 has a little bit more pizzazz to it. If you come around to this side here, you're also going to notice the accents. And what I mean by the accents is the accents and the lights match your door mirrors. And once again, that is done to give it a little bit more style, a little bit more pizzazz. The lights, the headlights, the top frame here, all of this is made to make this melted copper color really pop. Now, another similarity, the CX-70 and the CX-90 are both available as a 3.3 inline 6 mild hybrid, or you can get it as a PHEV, which is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. You can't go wrong no matter which one you choose. It's just a matter of your individual style, your individual flavor, and what you're going to use the vehicle for. And of course, when you come here and you test drive either one of these, I or one of my knowledgeable sales staff will explain the differences and explain which one is probably the best fit for your particular lifestyle. Nonetheless, here at Mazda, we want to have the best vehicle for you. We believe we do. We have everything from the CX-90 all the way down to the Mazda 3. We have every type of vehicle that we feel is going to fit your particular lifestyle. You tell us what you want, and we're going to put you in the right car. Other than that, thank you for spending some time with me today. Once again, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda in Greenfield, Wisconsin, talking about the CX-90 and the CX-70. If you're interested and you want to take it for a test drive, come on in or give us a call at 414-329-5800. Other than that, I'll look for you on the lot. You take care. We'll talk later. Bye-bye.